everyone, I'm Teresa. Today I'm going to do a makeup for Laibou Chongba, which is a part of Laiharaoba. So before we start the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and yes, do watch the video till the end. First thing first, I samana pungkalani. Then I'm going to do my eyebrows. Peki Super Brow Cream used away in the set 01 Cuban Espresso. For a more defined brow, I'm using Vio Aqua Makeup Concealer in the set 03 Charm. Then brushing the brow again to get a softer and a more natural look. Asise kharadi time consuming oy haidi hena define oiba yamna natural looking oiba eyebrows to phangningai gi hairagadi khara kuina adum chang tare. Next, I'm using Kryolan Set 22 for my foundation, and I'm adding few, maybe lots of face serum. Although I use the face serum say Good Vibes ki vitamin C and vitamin E H-defying serum ne. Ado si se mix tawraga haidi foundation da haidi serum gumba dum mix tawe si mix tawbasina hena yamna dewy oiba glow khara leibado illuminating oiba even like primer gumba use tawdrasu yabagi changda laeba sumaina serum ga foundation ke add tawradi aduga blend tawrani. And yes, when we apply foundation khutna oigera brush na oigera or blender na use tawbakanda, we don't need to press a lot. Depth khak tawo haidi hena smooth oiba more uniform surface ama form tawnaba adune aduna. So I'm going to blend my foundation. Yeah, I'm blending and I'm blending. Foundation brush na blend tawba kanda mafam khuding even ID eye area sa dum blend thok howe haidi horen eye shadow hapa kanda concealer amuka hapna danaba aduna every area da like whether it be the corner of our eyes adagi mid makha oiro even eyelid ta su loinamak phadana blend adum tawbiyo phadana yam smoothly well defined oinaba ado si blend tawba loira kanda foundation se pura thaba loire hair matungdo adukanda aise amuk cream blush thadoineba. So foundation se phasana taiba loire haira kanda ai blush hapanidana ado blush ki damaktadi I'm going to use a lining color. So maigi khajai aduga even naton maton se sida in hap toine blush kaise aduna blush haigadra lining cream blush hai tare foreign blush di powder blush di kon hapakani hojik hap toisina cream blush neba sigi cream blush se hapakanda ngasai gi foundation hapado adu hapaga blend tawdu maina dum chap manana sisu adum blend tawdoine aduga we are going to focus this on our cheeks and on our tip of the nose adune adumaina tawraga koi blend tawbirani si blending loira matungda overall oina masana naba blend pull up amuk tawrani aduga I'm going to go with my eyeshadow now. First LA colors tagi neutral oiba set ama laurani ado aina brush paiba kanda mayai wairapta paiye mayam su dum paibiyo makhong wai or maton da paiba kanda koina eyeshadow taiba se si yamna phajana smooth oina taadeba koina pami ba result to yam kana phangbo oidamne aduna aidi mayai wairapta dum paiye mayam su dum paibiyo. Next I'm using a yellow set from another eyeshadow palette. So I'm switching out my brush to go for a deeper set. Well guys, I'm going over my outer eyelids. Then I'm going to diffuse it by going it in a rocky motion. But as I've already told you earlier, just don't press the brush. Hold it lightly, very lightly. Then I'm going to use my foundation brush to remove the excess eye products which has fallen on my face. So I'm going to remove it now. For this look, I'm going for a very soft eye makeup. Next, I use a Revolution Fold Fringy Intense Metallic Cream Powder Shadow Hariba Eyeshadow Palette se. Sidagi aina set tudo amuk lauraga mitta tairani haidi midwai haipet khara langningai gi ado si lorakanda aina set number 6 se amuk lauraga mid ki corner se sisida amuk tairani sise direct silver color shu oide pinkish silver oebako aduna yam white oina su taade aduna yamna soft oiba look kidadi I would prefer for this one adum aina sudum recommend tawe sise mayamda. So next I taudoisina ngasai aina use taugiba eyebrow gel do adu dum laurani same color because contour gi do aduna dum yani khanbagi machu do adu lauraga brush macha haidi hapetang pointed oiba brush ama laurani dana aduga naton gi side aina tumhanningi ba jaga do adu kita bridge nose bridge to the hapetang khara stroke to yam nataba yam light oina chingani and it goes the same with my kai haini akhoi ki cheekbone se cheekbone wise se jo khara tai birani aduga aigi khadang aduga laibak forehead ki maton se si maton gai si ju khaga tai birani sin hena more defined oiba finish structure ama lakningai gi ne aduga si se taiba loira kanda dum chap manana blend amuk tok thok pirani blend haise pull up oina all over the face tawroi ai taigriba jaga se sida kitang haipetang chai thoaga nan thokpado adu oidoine ba adu loire hairaganda lighter set ama mu lauraga koi khazai gi makha se swai gumba sida kitang highlight taunabagi aduga naton gi mayai se siju habet kitang ngasai aidi bridge mapandu da koina contour tawbagi muhan gi bado aduda naton mayai da ju khara henjan na mu gi basu yauni dhana adugi yawbado haibading angauba foundation kitang lighter oiba setun tairadi hena mubado khangaroi dana haidi naton do hena tungkhatnaba aduga highlight su tawnabane so adune adumai tawba loire adu ngahaktang ai chimban jam dry oibagi lip balm amuk taisan bane ado lip balm je aigi my current favorites ado sumai tawba balm je aidi am pame aidi kitang personalize oidana sijina adune So for contour, I am using a contour from Sugar and I'm going to work this on my cheekbone for a more defined look. Aduga blush kisina aina use torise Faces Canada gi blush ne adu je use torani aduga yamna kanna di tharoi because I've already told you guys that I'm going for a very light makeup aduna yam soft oiba makeup nina blush shu yam henjana tharoi kitang tharani ba adune smaina khara thare aduga mit makhada aina kogi bindi macha silver color gi am lerameba adudo borderline haidi mit khase sisina nappe mit side amamda ani nappe adum haidi I'm just trying out different looks although sigi mitta hapa loirakanda ai lipstick tairani aduga aina use toriba lipstick se Break New York haiba brand sidagi Ultimate Matte in the set 5 ne asigi lipstick se yamna nungaye haidi liquid lipstick oisu aduga matte oiragasu matte ne su khangdaba aduga isada jiman yam dry oibado adusu oideba adana adum one of my favorite lipsticks aduni. So here my look is complete. Aduna ai ornaments ka adaki ai dress ka set chalurake.